Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure Android 8.0 or later is running and you have storage. Once done, enable installation from unknown sources or plan to use the Play Store so the skinning app can install. Next, download a reputable iOS-style lock screen app plus the matching icon and widget pack. This gives you the clock style and fonts. You do this now so the rest of the process will be fast and reliable without permission errors. You now configure the lock screen app step by step. First, grant permissions like notifications, draw over other apps, and lock screen access so the app can replace the default. Then choose the iOS-style clock layout and tweak font size and position to match your preference. This ensures alignment and readability. After that, add the date widget, desired quick shortcuts, and set gestures for camera and flashlight. Make sure to test each change immediately so you catch layout issues early. Finish by setting the new app as the default lock handler and then lock and wake the phone to inspect the clock behavior. You should fine-tune animations, battery display, and performance settings to avoid lag or battery drain. If the clock doesn't appear or widgets fail, clear the app cache, re-grant the overlay and notification permissions, and reboot. If that fails, reinstall the app. One key tip: temporarily disable battery optimization for the lock app to prevent Android from killing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.